Hey everybody, my name is Samia Wrights. My pronouns are both she and they. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What I'm doing today is to take out my Loc jewelry that's in here already and to replace it with another set of Loc jewelry that I had purchased from Etsy. Yeah, the reason why I want to take these out is because they're just not giving. Of course, I like the way the shells look, and I'm actually going to keep the shells. I'm just going to replace what I've installed them with. So I've installed them with rubber bands, and the rubber bands I got them from cheap online, and they're just not staying. They keep popping off, and I keep picking bits and pieces of black rubber band out of my hair, and it's kind of getting super annoying. So I'm just going to take them out at this point. But I actually started taking them out because I had 10 originally shells in here. So I think, I don't know, I should be at about 8, or I really don't know. But I started taking them out already, and they are kind of hard to take out. It seems like the rubber band has, like, for some of them has been like getting tangled with my hair. So I feel like I'm gonna have to take my time with it, especially since I don't want to rip my actual hair out. But as you can see, just put a little rubber band at the end and put it through the actual shell. Please don't say nothing about my nail. I know it's broke. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. And I mean, it's been okay, but I just need to take it out. And some of them that I have them on, the locks aren't even fully locked. So I don't want to, harm the locking process by having these here. And yeah, for example, like this one, there's no rubber band on here at all. Cause the, I guess the rubber band popped off. I don't know, but I'm going to get rid of it. So I went online to try to find some different Loc jewelry. I found this shop seller on Etsy. It's a black woman. Her store is called Eclectic Vibe. The package came with a business card. Then I'll just show you everything that I did get. The package came just like this, in this little sheer bag, and inside you'll see what I got. I ended up getting a set of these rings that I plan on just putting randomly throughout my head, and then I'm going to put the shells through the rings, then hook that into my actual lock. And I think that'll be much better than to have a rubber band in it for it to be pulling out my hair, on top of that preventing the lock process and then popping off at will. I'm not doing it anymore. I also got these little more rings to put throughout my head, and where is it at? I got 2 of these, and I think these are super cute. These are clear quartzes, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna want to keep it on this spirally thing, because I don't know how my lock is going to feel in it. We'll just see. But if not, I'll just hook the actual jewelry, the crystal, onto one of the rings that I got, and then just pop that in my head too. But yes, these are super cute, right? Super cute. I just hope that they don't tarnish easily. But yes, I need all types of positive energy, and just anything that will help me day to day to be stress free. So I really do appreciate having crystals or different types of quartz in my hair. I think it'll be cute. It's different. Yeah, very different. But yeah, I'm going to take out all of these shells, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out these shells, And then I'll actually start installing the Loc brass rings that I showed you guys. See, I'm just so happy I'm taking these out. I'm about to go get some scissors actually, so that I can really just expedite this process, because y'all, these are so, just look at it. Like, they just break off so easily. And then I can just pull this thread on through. And then you go. There we go. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some scissors because I'm not about to be messing with this like this. Wow, my hair feels so naked without any jewelry in it. My hair feels so naked. But we're about to change that. So what I'm gonna do, here's the ring. I'm just gonna open it a little bit more. They're definitely easy to open. Then I'm gonna insert it into the actual shell. Like this. Or should I do the other end? I think I'm gonna do the other end. I mean, honestly, it don't even matter, but it's on there. And now I'm about to just find a lock and just stick it in. I guess I'll just feel one that's like more, feel for one that's more locked. Stick it through. Well, actually, I'm gonna do it so high right now. Ooh. Interesting. Ooh, I love it. I love it. And now they'll be super easy to take out, and I won't feel like I'm ripping my hair as I'm doing it. I'm gonna do some where I just have certain have hoops around my locks too. Like, meaning I'm gonna take some of these hoops and I'm gonna just put them randomly around without any shells on them too, so that I could just be, you know, really dolled up. Yeah. Oh y'all, she also gave me a crystal. I just wish I knew what crystal it was. I mean, it's black, so it could be obsidian, it could be tourmaline. I just don't know, but we're just gonna keep positive vibes all over it. You know, I'm gonna sage it and do all that and then charge it at a point too, but let me just knock out these bad boys. I guess for me, I'm trying to keep these in for like ever. I mean, of course, I know I won't be able to keep it in forever, but this is not like, oh, only for a look type thing. I'm trying to have it so that like my locks always have some type of jewelry in it, always have some type of shell. And I know for certain people, depending on their locks, like they may put lock jewelry in that's too heavy for their locks. Like that'll cause thinning, breaking off and all that type of stuff. But I don't foresee that to be a problem at all. I've had those shells in since I was like, what, 3-4 months locked, and it wasn't an issue. So it shouldn't be an issue either. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. My phone died, so there's that. But yeah, I absolutely love this look. Feel like it just gives me that oomph. It's definitely a look that I was going for. I was able to put the spiral clear quartz lock jewelry on. So it's this one and this one. I will be keeping you guys updated with how this goes because I do not plan on taking them out. Meaning like when I wash my hair, when I do whatever with my hair, these are gonna stay in like this. I don't really feel like doing anything with it, but I put the little circle thingies all around my hair, and I just love how it came out. I absolutely love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't think I'm gonna be putting any more shells in or anything like that. I think this is enough, but I mean, if I do see something cute and I like it, then I'll put it on my hair. But right now I don't have any more shells or anything like that that I do want to put in my hair. But yes. Ooh. Let me stop. But for real, I think it's so cute how it came out. In the brass circles were so easy to pull apart, to put in. I did put them within the locks that I feel like are 98% locked or more. It was kind of hard at first to put the brass rings within the parts of my locks that are like, you know, fully locked. But I mean, I was able to get it through, no sweats. And yes, I love it. Love it. It's looking cute. I wish I had somewhere to go, but you know, we're in the house. We're in the house with it. But okay. Yeah. I will be leaving the information for the Loc Jewelry that I got from this Etsy shop in my description box. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.